Read the sentence. Read the sentence.
The flag will...
You can finger stretch it. It's the E sound. It's your sight word. B-E-G-I-N.
Begin. The two in the wind.
Okay, I want you to read that sentence over all the way through.
The flag will begin to flap in the wind.
Okay, good.
If Cliff is glad he got to class.
G-O-E-S. What is that? That's your sight word.
Goes to class.
Okay, can you read that sentence one more time?
Cliff is glad he goes to class.
Very good. Okay.